Avni Dias, South Asia Bureau Chief of ABC News, seems to have created a misleading visa extension denial narrative against the Indian government amid 2024 elections. So let us unfold what actually happened and how this Australian journalist has some dubious anti-India connection linked to her. Avni Dias shared this tweet yesterday stating that the Modi government had denied a visa extension owing to her reporting crossed a line and she had to leave India abruptly. Well, the other side of the story was shared to us by journalist Geeta Mohan, who said that Avni's allegations are misleading and mischievous, as she had violated her visa rules while undertaking a professional pursuits, despite which, on a request, she was assured that her visa would be extended for the coverage of the general elections. Her previous visa was valid till 20th April 2024. She paid the visa fee on 18th of April and her visa was extended till end June the same day. She, however, chose to leave India on 20th of April. At the time of her departure, she held a valid visa and her extension of visa stood approved. Also, Avni's claim of not being allowed to cover elections in India was refuted by Geeta Mohan in her tweet, stating that the coverage of election activities outside of booths is permitted to all journalists, visa holders. Authority letters are required only for access to polling booths and counting stations. This, however, cannot be processed while the visa extension is under process. It is pertinent to note that other ABC correspondents, Meghna Bali and Som Patadar, have already received their letters. This actual news was nowhere taken into consideration before maligning India's image, because soon after these false acquisitions by Avni, the foreign media picked it up quickly, and this is how the Bloomberg and the Guardian reported it. In fact, an open letter was released by some foreign correspondents protesting against India with hashtag press freedom. Just for the records and the viewers' information, Avni Dias in March this year had made a documentary video titled 6 Spies and Murder, investigating India's alleged hit on foreign soil, alleging that India was somehow involved in the assassination of Canada-based Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Although the Indian government later on directed YouTube to withhold the anti-India propaganda video by ABC News and its South Asia Bureau Chief Avni Dias. This ABC journalist also has a track record of peddling anti-Hindu propaganda, which could be confirmed from the lambasting that Avni received from the Australian Hindu Association Inc. for attempting to give a clean chit to Khalistani extremists and insinuating the role of Hindus in the vandalism of the Sri Lakshmi Narayan temple in Brisbane. Previously, she had even attempted to portray Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha as a Hindu supremacist event. She had even written a targeting article on Yogi Adityanath, calling the leader a Hindu supremacist monk. She had even spread disinformation about the CAA. It is amusing to note that such foreign correspondents have buckled up their socks lately to tarnish India's image and influence the Western media to target one of the biggest elections in India.